In this video, I'm going to reveal the strategy to make that woman unable to stop thinking about you. Let's get into it. The secret to keeping her constantly thinking about you is, first and foremost, to understand that the greatest seduction weapon is called mystery. Every time there's a sense of mystery involved with another person, when you can't completely understand who they are, what they do, or what they like, this aura of mystery creates an irresistible attraction. It generates the feeling that it's necessary to discover more about this person, to understand their mysteries, as if revealing them completely is essential for inner peace. Knowing this, how can you provoke this powerful sense of mystery, making the woman look at you and feel that there's something mysterious about you? The answer lies in using a powerful weapon called duality. Duality is a fundamental characteristic in everything that exists on Earth, being a force present in nature and within ourselves. This duality is what makes nature and humans so fascinating. Observing nature, we find contrasts like hot and cold, day and night, dry and wet, reflecting the constant presence of duality. As humans, we are deeply attracted to that which possesses duality, something that cannot be completely deciphered or predicted. For instance, archetypes of men combining firmness and protection with sensitivity represent a duality that strongly attracts. Similarly, archetypes of women appearing pure but revealing a more daring and provocative nature behind closed doors also embody this duality, a pure yet naughty woman behind closed doors. This duality creates a powerful attraction because it sparks curiosity and a desire for complete understanding, providing a sense of mystery that, in turn, translates into an irresistible attraction. Therefore, by incorporating duality into your personality, you can make that woman unable to stop thinking about you. Imagine a situation where a woman has a calm and sweet voice but dresses provocatively. This duality creates a mystery around her, an attraction that is challenging to comprehend completely. While talking to her, you realize that you cannot have a clear understanding of what happened, but this lack of clarity generates an irresistible attraction. In this context, duality seduces and maintains the mystery present. Another example is thinking of an archetype of a man considered nerdy, nice, hardworking, and introverted. When talking about these characteristics, it may seem that this man is situated in a single pole without variation. However, true attractiveness arises when there is the presence of duality. This man can be both nerdy and adventurous simultaneously, revealing a complexity beyond conventional expectations. Being in this duality is what brings fascination and attractiveness, as it goes beyond the conventional and creates an intriguing narrative around your personality. People who exert a greater attraction on others are those who can convey the sense of duality. Now, there is a way to demonstrate this duality not only through characteristics but also through attitudes and words. I'll show you how to apply this strategy to make that woman unable to stop thinking about you. The key is to use duality to create a mental space in the person's head. This mental space arises because they cannot completely decipher who you are, leading them to ponder your intentions and feelings. They question themselves, did he mean this, or is he liking me, or maybe not? This mental space paves the way for a series of ponderings, making them more likely to continuously think about you. So, how can you apply this through your attitudes? With actions, you can use the hot and cold or praise and distance strategy. For example, during a conversation, be extremely attentive and humorous, connecting with her and providing enjoyable moments. Then, out of the blue, mention that you need to leave to handle something or simply leave and return moments later. This action creates a strong duality in her mind, generating thoughts like, we were having a good time, and suddenly he disappeared, only responding to my question hours later. You caused an intense feeling of hot and cold. Another way is to give a compliment followed by a light tease. For instance, say, you look beautiful in this photo, but the bracelet is a bit odd. Then, compliment her smile, adding a subtle tease like, sometimes it seems like you're conquering the world with that smile. Continue with comments like, I love women with long hair like yours, but I prefer it a bit longer at the waist. This alternation between compliments and teases maintains the duality, leaving her intrigued and thinking more about you. Another example of this hot and cold game would be to say something like, "Today things are amazing, but it's moving too fast. I'm getting too involved, I think it's better for us to step back." In this case, you mention that things are incredible and wonderful, but you express a fictitious concern about getting too involved. You can present this ambiguously, leaving her unsure whether you're joking or being serious. This duality will make her think about you incessantly. If you enjoyed this powerful duality strategy, leave a like, share this video to help your friends who may benefit. A big hug, and see you soon.